हेलो एवरीवन, अनदर डे अनदर वीडियो। सो टुडे इज़ डे 3 ऑफ बार्सिलोना और पहला जो आइटिनरी में है हमारा वो है पार्क ग्वेल। उसकी हमने टाइम टिकट ले रखी है 9:30 बजे की, तो अभी हम जल्दी से भागेंगे वहाँ के लिए। एंड द मेजर चीज़ जो हमें आज जानी है वो है बीच पे। तो लेट्स सी, और बाकी और कुछ प्लान नहीं है, बाकी हम देख लेंगे हमें कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है, बट आई विल बी श्योर टू रिकॉर्ड इट। We finally reached on the steps of Park Güell. Do you hate me right now, Reshma?
No, not at all. Because I know the view will be beautiful.
मैं रेशमा को 45 मिनट्स पैदल चला के लेके आई हूँ यहाँ पे, बिकॉज मेरे को मॉर्निंग वॉक करने की चलो रही थी।
और फाइनली मैंने अपने लाइफ का लॉन्गेस्ट वॉक किया आज।
Park Güell is UNESCO's World Heritage Site and a must-visit destination if you like, nature, art, and architecture, because it has a blend of that and it's really beautiful. So to enter the park, the plain admission ticket is 13 euros, but if you want to visit the museum as well, then there's something extra for it and there's another ticket for it. But I took the plain admission ticket, so it was 13 euros for me. So the timing to enter the park is 9:30 a.m. and you can stay there till 6:15 p.m. But that's during winters. During summers, the timings are a bit different. And it's so beautiful. The views from here, they are amazing. And it's the work of the famous architect Antoni Gaudi. And he has made this park like a blend of nature, art, and his creativity. It's really amazing. Okay, now a bit about this place. It's called Hypostyle Hall and it's a stunning space with 86 stone columns. And originally it was supposed to be a marketplace, but now it's a highlight of the park as it supports the famous terrace above where visitors can enjoy panoramic view of Barcelona. As you enter the park, you will see the Park Güell's icon. It's El Drac. So El Drac is Park Güell's famous colorful mosaic dragon and it's at the entrance of Park Güell. And it's one of the park's most famous symbol. It's made of vibrant tiles and it's a popular spot for photos and adds to the park's magical atmosphere. It's so popular that there was a queue of people lining up, waiting for their turn to take a picture with the dragon. Yeah, if you reach a bit early and take an early ticket, just like me, you can find the place pretty empty and get yourself the perfect picture for your Instagram.
सुभावना, कैसा लग रहा है आपको इधर घूम के?
बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत ही तरोताज़ा, सुबह सुबह की वॉक सफारी। इट्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल, आई थिंक इट्स वर्थ इट। One of the most useful tip I can give you is wear your most comfy shoes, because you are going to walk a lot, you are going to climb a lot of stairs to see those beautiful views. So wear your comfy shoes and enjoy your day at Park Güell. नीचे चलने में तो मज़ा आ रहा है, लेकिन ऊपर चलने में बिल्कुल भी फन नहीं था। सही बात है ना?
एकदम सही।
And now it was time to have some brunch and we visited this cute cafe. All the details are there in the caption description. Please go there, and if you're a vegetarian then you'll have some choices. So see the description for this one. To get around Barcelona, the metro is the easiest and fastest way because it's very well connected and it's very easy to use. You can buy either a 1 day ticket or 48 hours ticket depending on your stay in Barcelona. So I used the metro and it was pretty good.
और ये आ गई भावना लहरों से खेल के समंदर में नहा के।
So after the beach, it was time to visit Montjuic Castle, and to go there we took a bus and the price of the ticket was 4.9 euros. You can also take a cable car to go up there, but this time we took a bus and the bus number was 150. It was directly going to the castle, and we reached there and we saw the view from there. Most people were taking cable cars, so we decided when we'll go down, we'll take the cable car then. केबल कार का टिकट है 10 यूरो 50 सेंट्स फॉर वन वे। हमने वन वे का लिया कि हम एक साइड तो बस से आ गए थे, अब एक साइड हम इससे जाएंगे। And the view is amazing. And just like that, it was time to say goodbye to Barcelona. But yeah, before going, I made sure that I have my signature souvenir in hand. And another thing to note, if you're going to Terminal 2 of the airport, I believe the best way, the fastest way of going to the airport is the train. And they are on time and they are after every half an hour. So they are very good. I took the train to go to the Terminal 2 of the airport and I deboarded right at Terminal 2. So it was the fastest way to reach to the airport, and the pricing of the ticket was 4.9 euros. So yeah, that's it from my side. I'll see you again super soon. Until then, bye bye.